saw some up and down because you went from like a 4 to a 7. And I'm over on the IMAX now, and I was flipping back and forth. I was getting you the same, but then I also at times, though, the IMAX, you know, being up at 55 feet, a little better TOA, takeoff angle, I think that's helping. But now this is the bazooka, and I'm gonna pan outside here. I've got it just outside the shack here, and you'll be able to see how low this thing is. Phil, 68 Romeo Bravo 001. Good to hear you again, and I am so sorry to hear that you've been sick since Christmas. That's a shame, my friend. That's a pity. Over to you, Phil. Take her easy, buddy. Get a drink.
Yeah, 100% there, Scott. The ice sickness isn't bad there, you know. It isn't good, should I say, you know. It isn't bad, isn't good. I'm a bad patient there, and sitting about in bed doing very little is very frustrating. I know with cable or Sky TV there, but there's only so much TV you can watch there, and I'm not one for sitting in front of the TV watching a lot of it. I like to get out and do a few odds and ends, or build a few antennas, or work at a few bits and pieces to do with the radio equipment and towers and things like that there, you know. I like to filter in the garage a lot there, a lot of wee projects going on, so whenever the sickness sort of kicks in there, it's very, very frustrating there, that's for sure, Scott, you know. Very, very frustrating there, but you're really good. You're very strong. You peaked there in the last over at 20 dB over, and then the QSB brought you down to about a 6 or 7 there, so signals are quite strange, Scott, over.
Oh yeah, they're strange, all right. Yeah, I panned out and it didn't crash, so you'll be able to see it. Gosh, knock on wood. I should hit upload now. In fact, I think I will. Yeah, you're coming really good.